How to use Zelle with US Bank app. Are you guys facing issues to use Zelle application with US Bank app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use Zelle with US Bank app, first of all, log in into your username and password. On the home screen, tap Send Money and then select Send Money with Zelle. If you are new, tap Get Started, review the terms and enroll with the US mobile number or email. Link it to your US bank checking account to activate Zelle. To send money, choose a contact from your phone number or enter the recipient US mobile number or email. Type the amount, add a note if you like. Tap Send. The money is delivered within minutes if a recipient is already enrolled. To receive money, just stay enrolled. Any payment sent to your registered email or phone will go directly into your US bank account. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna send money on Zelle using bank app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.